Each of us are in a constant state of flux. We grow, evolve, discover and rediscover ourselves again and again. In this, we are similar to the moon and the 8 phases it passes through each month. These phases are new moon, waxing moon, first quarter, waxing gibbons, full moon, waning gibbons, third quarter, and waning crescent. LunOcto is the union of lunar and octo, the moon and the 8 phases of the moon's journey and the 8 dimensions of wellness. LunOcto builds on this foundation by providing you with the framework to realizing your optimum self. The dimensions of wellness you'll develop with Luno as your guide are financial, environmental, intellectual, occupational, spiritual, emotional, physical, and social. Your journey of self-discovery with lunOcto at your side is fueled by the phases of the moon and its own path from new to full moon. As you grow and improve each day, you'll travel, progress, learn, and then rediscover yourself, only to start your journey once more and continue improving yourself as wellness runs in cycles. With lunOcto, you'll develop a new understanding of yourself and find new ways to continuously grow by actively working on your dimensions of wellness. Take your lunOcto wellness assessment test and start on your lunOcto journey.